today is Thursday and the carpenters were here yesterday to fix my pantry, and I am so upset because after wasting my time for 2 months they still managed to mess it up. So I'm really upset. Let me show you. So yeah, this is the shelves, but the annoying thing now is this space here. This was supposed to fit here very snug on the wall, and it's just pissing me off. I don't know if they're managing wood, and I think the guy that came to fix it is not a professional. The Oga sent his boy to come and do it, and really pissing me off. Rather than them taking it down and fixing it again, I just told him to leave it. I beg, should carry his while be going. Like, look at my mouth. My mouth is swollen. I don't know, it just happened yesterday. I don't know what's causing it. Maybe I was talking too much and shouting on everybody's head. Now my mouth is swollen. Anywho, at least they managed to get one thing right, even though it's not like really perfect, but they brought in my cabinets. Let me show you guys. So these are the ones that are hanging on the wall. They managed somehow to get this one right. So my microwave used to be down there, but now I've put it up to give me more counter space. So there are a few mistakes here and there, like the finishing is not just 100%, but you know, it is what it is. They tried last. The worst of them all, is my makeup table. Like, that one is bad. Let me show you guys. Oh my, like, this is the table. Do you know the idea? I was going for that mid-century, you know, when the legs are like bent like this. Like, this is just crazy. Like, this is too bulky in the first place. It's supposed to be slim and then slick with the legs, you know. These are not even the correct stain of the legs. This is a different color. This part now is supposed to have the mirror. His boy came and did rubbish, so he has just come, taking it out to go and fix it and bring it back again. My poof that I'm supposed to sit on to do my makeup is not even here. Honestly, I'm just tired. I've just decided to accept everything and just, whenever it is that I have money, I will do something else. But for now, I'm just going to manage this furniture because money is not easy to come by, and honestly, I've saved up for a long time to be able to do this, and for them to mess it up is just very annoying. But I guess that's life. What you want to do, you want to carry them to police and then you spend more money on top again. So anyways, right now I'm just trying to try and start organizing my kitchen and the pantry. But I wanted to paint the walls. I don't know if you can see behind me. I want to paint the walls white, so I'm going to hold up on organizing the pantry for now and let the painters come tomorrow, paint everything white, and then I will organize it. I will make sure to bring you guys along with me. I thought this was going to be a very joyful process, but I'm just angry and just sad. But I'll get over it, obviously, and probably learn to love the pieces of furniture and live with it. Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I organize my kitchen. I've had the furniture people come in to put in some of the cabinets and the pantry, so I wanted to show you guys, but then I discovered something was wrong with the cabinets. I had the issue of termites, so they were beginning to eat up the wood, so we had to take everything out and brought someone to put some chemicals, and I'm praying and hoping that you know it's worked and it's stopped. So we've had to leave the kitchen alone for a full 24 hours. But let me show you guys what everything looks like now and what we're starting with. Okay, so guys, this is the current situation of my kitchen. This is all the wood that the termite has eaten. So the guy put the chemical. You can still see bits of the chemical on the floor. So all the cabinets are messed up right now. So that's how everything is looking. this is where I have all the things that are supposed to go in the kitchen. All my pots and pans, everything is just scattered everywhere. And then right here I have the rest of my food and everything that is supposed to go in the kitchen or in the pantry. So yeah guys, this is what we are starting with. We're going to start with cleaning everything out and then slowly start bringing all the things back into the kitchen. So it will be like a cleaning video / organizing video. So if you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and I will do more of this on the channel. Alright you guys, I'm going to be sharing a few tips with you guys that helped me to achieve an organized kitchen / pantry. And the first thing I'm going to tell you guys is to do the cheapest thing possible. I've gone for tiles here for my countertop because it was really cheap. I couldn't afford to do wood or marble or granite because it's not my personal house. So if you're renting, please do the cheapest thing possible. And the next thing I'm going to advise you guys is to do removable things. Don't do things that are permanent because it's not your house. You see these cabinets that I'm cleaning, like they are removable. You can pull them out literally and leave when you're going. So just try to do things that are cheap and removable, okay? Right now I'm just airing the cupboards. That's how everything is looking. And after a few minutes I will go and wipe it down again for the third time to make sure all the traces of the chemical is out. So in the meantime, I'm going to be organizing my makeup. My makeup table is here. That's the proof. I absolutely hate it. I'm going to take it back and let them do a black color because this is just a very silly color. I don't know why he's done this. I told him to make nude, okay, or cream, and he came up with this color. So I'll be sending this back for them to make it black. At least it's going to match the rest of the furniture. In this drawer I just have all my eyeshadows and like setting powder and stuff. Now this is the main one. Okay, so it's like that, and I've just organized everything as best as I could. Lipsticks, blushes, concealers are all in there, and my brushes and lip liners and stuff are in here. And then this other one, just have backup foundation and my, what do you call these things? Shit, I forgot. Those things. And then I have my lashes, some nails. And then I have like, I don't even know what's here, extra brushes and stuff. So yeah, my whole makeup thing is organized, so that's good. So I'm going to get back into the kitchen and finish up, okay? You guys, the next tip is to take everything out of your cabinets and declutter. So make sure that the things that you're keeping are the things that you absolutely need and will use, okay? The next very important tip is to use the vertical space. This is very important, especially if you have a very small space. It gives you a lot of storage, and then it helps you to keep your countertops very clean and clutter-free, which in turn makes your kitchen look very clean and organized. You don't have to use cabinets like I've done. You can also use shelves, but whatever you're doing, just make sure that you're using the vertical space to your advantage, okay? Twerk. Ah! Right, moving on to the pantry. The first tip I'm going to give you guys is to have all your storage solutions in place and take measurements of them to make sure everything fits on your shelf, okay? And you guys, please try to paint the walls white and put some bright lights in there. If you can, also make the shelves white. Trust me guys, it makes a whole lot of difference, okay?
3 weeks later.
Okay, the next tip is to use transparent glass jars and baskets. and please have everything labeled. It gives it a very clean look and is also very aesthetically pleasing. If you want to know how I make my labels, please watch this video to the end. I'll show you how to make these very easy DIY Pinterest looking labels, okay? Please give this video a thumbs up if you are learning something at all. Just give this video a thumbs up. Tiger nuts are really affordable and very healthy. It has lots of fiber. So instead of like trying to get things like almonds and pecans that are very expensive, look into tiger nuts. Very affordable and really good. And it's our own, you know, homegrown. So it's a very cheap way to introduce nuts into your diet. So yeah. What is on the packaging is not even what's inside the packet. Like, and all of them are just broken, like very ugly thing, and it's not even that sweet.
Show that one that is not inside.
Look at the one that is inside. Mini potato stick. Meanwhile, it's not even on the packaging. Like, this is such a scam. Why? City assorted biscuit. Big scam. Hey, see popcorn crackers inside. That was not even on the packaging. Like, why are they lying? It's just a waste of my money. 2,800 naira gone. So guys, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I split it in two, and in the part 2 of this video I show you guys the final look of how everything turned out and a full tour of the entire kitchen and pantry. So please look out for that video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. And yeah, let me show you guys how to make the labels. Alright guys, the first step is to print out whatever labels that you want. Just make sure that the ink is very bold so that it looks something like this. You want to cut it to size and then go in with this large size sellotape. Just go ahead and put it on top of the label and then go in with like your ATM card. But here I'm using like the head part of my scissors. You want to press it down to make sure everything transfers properly. Put it into a bowl of water and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes, after which you want to go ahead and peel off all the paper at the back. Allow it to air dry, and once it's dry, the sellotape will become sticky again and you can then just stick them on your jars. It's really that easy, guys. Bye.